Tonight, breezy. Showers until around mid. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for Washington County in southeastern Michigan until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Manchester, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Saline and Dexter around 7:20 p.m. Ann Arbor around 7:30 p.m. Ypsilanti and Dixboro around 7:35 p.m. Salem around 7:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pittsfield Township, Delhi Mills, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Pleasant Lake, Whitaker, Barton Hills, and Bridgewater. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Washington, Michigan,